Hi, and welcome to In the Can. So today I'm excited. I'm going to make a blackberry cobbler. And I'm using frozen blackberries. And I want the recipe calls for 2.5 cups. I'm going to use the whole 12-ounce bag because I want the bottom line just blueberries, or blackberries rather. So to this I'm going to be adding my lemons have gotten really tough. So it calls for half a lemon. Calls for the juice of half a lemon. And my lemons are pretty old. That seed out of there. Come on. And so I'm going to use the whole lemon. Since mine are so dried out, it takes about a whole lemon to make juice of half a lemon. Oh, then I want a half a cup of sugar. Sprinkle that into our baking dish. And a half teaspoon of flour. Not much flour at all. Give this a little mix to coat. We're going to set this aside. And now we want oh my goodness. Oh, let's see what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's get rid of our bowl. Bring this back, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. And I'm just going to thinly slice this and put it over top of the berries. And I'm going to break out the food processor, because I didn't buy any margarine, which I would use in the place of butter, and I have hard butter. So I want 1 3/4 cups of flour. This is a 1/2 cup measure. And I don't do just white flour. I like to do almost half and half of white flour and whole wheat. 1/4. Yeah. And I want 6 tablespoons of sugar. Two, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Then I want 5 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to chop the butter up into slices so that it'll process faster. Get us plugged in. Oh, there it is. Plop the lid on. And yeah, that's good. Then I want 1 cup of milk. And I don't have just regular milk in the house, all I have is chocolate. Chocolate milk is not going to make any difference, big difference in the flavor. And now that we have our dough, get a spoon, get our dough off our beaters. Get our dish of blackberries back over here, and we're going to take big old spoonfuls of the dough and plop it on top of the blackberries. Oops. I forgot to add the vanilla. It's not going to make a difference. It'll be sweet. Now I'm going to spread that dough out just a little bit. I don't want to cover it all. See? Then I'm going to pop this in the oven. Well, for about 30 to 40 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, my blackberry cobbler is ready, so I'm going to take some out. And give it a little taste. That's quite good. The biscuit coating is sweet, has a little bit of a crunch. and the blackberries have a really nice flavor. Hopefully you enjoy this recipe. Please like it and please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye.